Ellis and Harper Vancouver is being promoted as a boutique-style clothing brand with a local backstory, often claiming roots in Vancouver and offering stylish pieces at major discounts. But the real question is whether that story is actually real or just marketing. The store typically presents itself with emotional branding, family-run narratives, closing sales, or long-standing history claims, combined with polished product images and large discounts to build trust quickly. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Real boutiques do exist with similar branding, and many legitimate stores tell a story to connect with customers. However, here's the key issue. There's no verifiable evidence that Ellis and Harper is actually a real Vancouver-based brand with a physical presence or long history. This pattern closely matches other boutique-style sites that use location-based storytelling without proof. There are also strong red flags in how these stores operate. Similar brands using names like Ellis and Porter rely heavily on constant 50 to 70% discounts, vague product details, and unverified claims about their history. All signs of low transparency. User feedback across related stores is especially concerning. Many buyers report receiving items that look nothing like the photos, with cheap materials, incorrect sizing, and poor quality. What is shown doesn't even come close to what you receive. There are also complaints about refund issues, including partial refunds, difficult return processes, or needing to ship items overseas at the buyer's cost. It's also important to understand that many of these stores operate under different names but follow the same structure: fake backstories, heavy discounts, and rebranded products from the same suppliers. So, is Ellis and Harper Vancouver's story real or fake? It's most likely a marketing narrative rather than a verifiable brand history. The bottom line is that Ellis and Harper appears to be a high-risk online clothing store using a convincing but unproven backstory. So it's best to approach with caution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.